Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Today we are going to draw a cute birthday cake. Start by drawing a very slightly curve for the top of the cake. Then go ahead and wiggle up and down all the way. Bring a straight line down on both sides. Then go ahead and connect it with a straight line all the way across. I'm going to draw the plate. Right here we are going to add some candles.
With a cherry on top like a shiny crown. I smell so good, my scent fills the air. A promise of sweetness beyond all compare. On a table adorned with balloons and with cheer, I stand as a centerpiece drawing you near. Candles flicker their flames soft and bright, reflecting in frosting.
I draw the eyes. And its smile. Add some detail. I draw the arms. And I'm going to draw the balloon. Let's finish the arm. I draw a gift. Let's coloring with black color. Pink color. Orange, yellow, pink, green, blue, purple, pink, orange, yellow, green, dark blue, yellow, red, orange, blue, black, red, blue, red, purple, pink, dark blue. Thank you for watching.